Hey, what's up, guys? I want to give you a quick review on these metal cable ties here. Um, I got them because I needed to do some patching on my fence outside, so I needed something so not like the plastic nylon zip ties. I wanted something metal and strong. So I got these and gave them a shot. It's actually the first time I've ever used them before. So far, I like them. I've been really impressed about them. So I'll just give you a quick demonstration and show you how they work. So it's really simple. I mean, just like any other type of zip tie or cable tie. I mean, there's the ends and then the slotted end where you slide it in and you just feed it through and it catches automatically. So no other, like you don't hear it like with the plastic nylon ones. They have like the little ribs or whatever that you can kind of feel them click through. These ones don't do that. You just slide them through, and they worked really good on my fence. You slide them through like around the rings and you pull them and they're super strong, like super strong. So I mean, if you're doing anything like me, like fence repairs or whatever, I mean, definitely a good product. I can't pull them apart. So really super strong, and I do recommend them.